this video, we're going to review what it means by copying the pointers. Okay, so let's think about this code. So we define the struct node, and then we have add front function. Okay, so if you start with empty list, right? So that means what? We have list L, but it points to nothing. Okay. Now, if we do only front with 10, now things will be changing a little bit. So that means now L is pointing to a new node, and then new node will be 10 and then nothing. And then now, instead of L is 0, L is pointing, L contains null. So now this will be pointing to really created already like that. Okay, makes sense. Now, if you do so now what will happen? Another node will be created. So means another node will be created. And that's 20, right? And then now it points to this node, right? And then now this L points to this node. Okay. Now this goes away. So that's what's going on. Okay. So here, I want to check out the value of L. Okay. So if you print L, that's a pointer, so you'll return address. Let's see what's going on. Okay, no problem. Let's see if I type that. It's not drop node. It's really node. They're the same thing. Okay. So if you do this, you will have what? Some number, right? So remember, pointer is basically 8-byte number. So that's address. So basically L is address. The value of L is the address, and that in that address you'll have node 20. Node containing 20. So now let's think about another node. Okay. And then let's see, let's say, is this. Then what would be the value of T? Obviously, what? L and T, their address are the same thing. So one thing you notice is like in the previous execution, the address of L is ending with 7280. Now it's like 3280. So the address of where L points is really changing time to time. But what you know is the L value and T value is basically the same thing. So what does that mean? That means we have pointer variable t, okay? And then it points to what L points to. So as you know, what really matters when you draw a pointer, when you draw an arrow, what matters is the destination. So copying the pointer means what? Copying to the same destination. So, you know, the arrow should go to the same destination. Okay, really, copying pointer is what? Have arrow point to the same destination. That's really, really important. Okay.